Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about on-page SEO. So on-page SEO is all about what are the changes we are doing on our website so that it improves its visibility. So when you add those content to our website, that is what is a part of on-page SEO, where we are making changes on the website. Now, these changes can be of various types, like adding pages. It can be updating the title tag of the page, changing the H1 tag, okay, making changes to the meta description. All these can be a part of the on-page SEO. So we need to look at on-page SEO as what are the internal things of the website which we are changing or optimizing, which is making the website better, the visibility increases, it adds more value to our users. And that is what is going to make these search results, these search engines rank our website on top of the pages. Another example, another way of looking at it is, so if you look at a car, an on-page SEO would be a parts of the car, which is internal, which can be chassis, it can be related to, you can say their wheels. These are all going to be on-page SEO, which is the internal parts of the car. Whereas off-page SEO is like the engine. Okay, so wherein it is the outside part of it, which is related to, again, the improvement or the performance of the car. So we have to keep these things in mind while we are doing our on-page SEO, and we have to build on these activities and strategies on the website so that our website's credibility increases in front of a Google search engine. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand what is on-page SEO. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.